Everybody, I'm Igor and this is CAtuned. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss my E21. The heart of the car. Originally this car was an M10 automatic, no thrills. I still daily drove it, got over a year out of it. It was fun until the injection system went out. There's no available parts. What do? Well, I ended up parking it for a little while and building a really badass M20. Let me show you. We've got a Harkey motor that's completely been rebuilt with all the bells and whistles, everything you can imagine. We've got a nice set of Harkey headers, brand new radiator, silicone hoses, everything you can imagine is here, and it's all done up. This thing runs like a champ too. Lots of fun. And the E21 chassis, it's not very heavy. You know, an M20 has plenty of power and these engines run forever. So I'm thrilled about that. We've got our CAtuned coilovers. So that's another step up on this car as well. The whole entire engine bay has been repainted. The body was repainted. We've got Euro goodies on it, Euro bumpers. And even here underneath the hood, we've got this nice pad. Just kind of little things always add up to being much better. And here we've got the interior. We've done these custom door panels, shaved pockets for a really slick look, really kind of custom. We've got a leather wrapped dash with a Nardi wooden steering wheel, quick release. On the seats, I opted for Recaros, and then we customized them. We've got leather on the sides, suede in the middle. Really turned out really good. Even got our CAtuned tags. On the dash, for the cluster, we worked with Bavarian Restoration. We were able to customize it but still leave almost an original look. At the same time, we went GPS. Headliner was redone in Alcantara. Tied the whole car together. In the back, I did E30 optional speakers. Put in all brand new stuff inside. Redid the rear back panel, and we did Motorsport red seat belts. We relocated the battery to the trunk. At the same time, we utilized an E30 plastic under tray, trimmed it down, and ran all the cables like you would normally see if this was a battery that was located in the back. Came out really clean, yet simple.